Hello everyone, my name is Shalsari Basu and I am currently in class 11 and a student of FIFA. I'd like to thank FIFA for giving me the opportunity to express my views today. They say that we make about 35,000 decisions every single day. From the moment we wake up and decide whether to hit the snooze button to the moment we decide what to wear or what to eat. Our lives are essentially a collection of choices. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of decision making. It is like a muscle. The more you use it, the more stronger it gets. Most people think that big decisions like choosing a career or a life partner are the only ones that matter. But the truth is, the power of decision making lies in the small daily choices. You can also describe it as a steering wheel. You can't control the traffic or the weather, but you can decide whether to go left or to go right. To make better decisions, I like to follow these 4 simple steps. First, don't overthink. Most of the time, we overthink so much that we end up missing the boat. And sometimes we don't even realize it until it's too late. Second, trust your intuition. And third, own the outcome. You will not make the right decisions every single time. But that's okay because a wrong decision is just a lesson in disguise. And the fourth step is the 10-10-10 rule. After you make a decision, ask yourself how that choice will affect your life in the next 10 minutes, the next 10 months, and then in the next 10 years. This helps you put your fears into perspective. And lastly, I want you guys to remember that indecision is also a decision. So choosing not to do anything is still a choice. You don't have to see the whole staircase to take the first step. You just have to decide to climb. So take the lead in your own life one choice at a time. Thank you everyone for your attention and time.